As the clock struck 5 p.m. this evening, it was apparent that the Supreme Court's deadline for a report on the scrutiny of IEBC servers would not be met, even with the race against time to comply with the orders granted for both Raila Odinga and President Uhuru Kenyatta's teams to access IEBC servers, an integral part of the presidential petition as far as Odinga was concerned. Well past 6 o'clock, IEBC tweeted that full access to servers could be finally granted. This following delays that prompted NASA lawyers to claim that the Electoral Commission had refused to comply with the judge's order. Quote, just from IEBC, there is no one. Exercise was to continue this morning after stalemate yesterday at 4:30 a.m. Now, no access to meeting room, end quote. Read a tweet by Paul Mwangi, counsel for Raila Odinga, and his running mate Kalonzo Musyoka this morning. But the IEBC denied such claims, saying it had complied with orders as framed by the Supreme Court and that all parties in the petition were going on with scrutiny. But Odinga's lead counsel James Orengo later acknowledged the process was ongoing, but claimed the hiccup was in availing all documents they had asked for.
At the Milimani courts, the exercise of examination of documents is going on, but the trouble is that some documentation is not being made available.
That perhaps this court needs to give instruction to directions to its registrar to increase the staff that are undertaking that exercise.
The legal teams for Kenyatta and IEBC arguing that Odinga's team was asking for more than the judges had ordered availed.
Europe is a couple of hours behind us. We had to wait for them to start working. They have to set up the access window with safeguards. That exercise is going on, and I am instructed that that should be completed in the next 1 or 2 hours. So it's not us who are refusing to give access.
As regards the team at Milimani Court, they are moving very well. They are about to complete Form 34B. And they anticipate by midday they'll be towards concluding that exercise. As regards the other team, there is a request being made by the petitioners which is beyond the order that was issued.
So there is no obstacle to complying with the court order?
No, none.
None. But there was a request for a facility beyond the order that was made, and that was turned down. If that is what is being called an obstacle, is to use the word obstacle wrongly.
We want to comply with these court's orders to the letter. And there is no difficulty about that. It's an issue only of logistics, not obstructing, not wanting to comply.
Then, Mr. Orengo, why are you interrupting our proceedings? No, I'm sorry. No. I'm saying what they are saying, the court order is being followed to the letter. Why are you here?
The excuse of saying that the people in Europe are still asleep, I think is not justifiable.
Mid-afternoon, a request by Orengo to increase the number of agents per party was granted from 2 to 5 to expedite the process. Jackie Maribe for The Big Question.